In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Etsy store link or URL. Whether you are a new seller setting up your online presence or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's relatively straightforward and you'll be able to share your store with potential customers in no time. First things first, make sure you are logged into your Etsy account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see the option labeled Shop Manager. Go ahead and click on that. This button takes you into the heart of your Etsy operations, a place where you can manage your shop settings, keep track of orders, and even market your products. Now on the left-hand side of your screen, there's a menu with several options. What you want to look for here is Settings. Clicking on Settings will expand a list where you'll see Info and Appearance. Click on that. This section holds a lot of vital information about how your shop is presented to others, so it's a great area to familiarize yourself with if you have the time. What you should now see is an overview of your shop's most basic information. You won't need to scroll too far to find what we're looking for. Under the section labeled Shop Name, you'll find your store's link. This is a direct URL that leads customers straight to your Etsy shop. To give you an idea of what to expect, this URL typically follows a specific format like HTTPS www.etsy.com/shop your shop name. Replace your shop name with the unique name you selected when setting up your shop. For example, if your shop name is Crafty Corner Co., your link will look like this: https://www.etci.com/shop Crafty Corner Co. This URL is shareable and can be used across various platforms, ensuring that wherever your potential customers are, they can find you with ease. Now that you've discovered where your Etsy shop link is located, you can copy and paste it wherever you need. It's a useful tool for marketing your shop in newsletters, social media posts, or even on your personal website. Just a quick tip: always double check that your shop name is spelled correctly in the URL to ensure your customers are directed to the right spot. And there you have it. Finding your Etsy store link is as simple as a few clicks, and now you can more easily share your store with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!